Sabay na lang tayo. Okay. Hello po, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat. Yes, of course, thank you sa ating mga press sa pagpunta, sa pagbigay ng oras ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng supporters namin ni Julia, nila Aljo, nila Kyla, nila Bong, kay si Ate Mean, maraming salamat kasi simula umpisa na dyan kayo, hanggang dito hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong Cebu, may chance. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun, same. Of course. Akala ko ba sabayin na lang? Ayun, same lang naman. This is a very special and meaningful night. Hindi namin nakalain na... Okay. Hindi namin akalain. Hindi... Sobrang excited ko. Hindi ko na mabuo yung word. Hindi po namin inakala na... diba, finally makakagawa tayo ng...
Ulit.
I know.
So this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out syempre kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So if you guys are watching, we're missing you and we wish you guys were here. Okay guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Okay, before I give the microphone to Justin and Corpcom, I'd like to, the first question siyempre, importante ito, for Josh Lia. Mukhang masasakit ang mga eksena. How was the experience working together in a film at meron bang mga eksena na hinugutan niyo ang past experiences niyo while filming? Ganun bang actors kayo? Hugot sa past experiences?
Sige ako na. Okay. Hindi maiwasan. Hindi maiwasan na humugod sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sayo na rin yan kung paano mo siya babawasan man lang. Yung nararamdaman mo. Just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kumbaga kung kailangan mong humugod.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pa lang. Parang sobrang pained ka. Okay.
Ayun, parang ganun.
Jul, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know, I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin ni Josh kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talagang magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration mas lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zion ni Juancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Talino mo ta. Sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
Of course, the question is for yung matatapang nating writer na kung paano nila to nagawa at ma-convince na napagwagian ng Viva at Star Cinema mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we are joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talaga nag-isip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had the love story for Star Cinema. And inisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibitbit nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya na music video. When we watched it, parang it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi diba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if na-try namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai and si Wancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Wancho.
Wancho.
Tal, you wanna add to?
Ayan, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may pagmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun. So ang daming what ifs. Pero ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director mula sa papabalik tamis sa teaser. Ngayon naman ay ramdam ang init, lasap ang pait at tumatagos ang sakit sa trailer. Ano pang experience ang may expect ng mga tao sa pagbabalik ng Josh Dia? That's for Direct Peterson. Kasi ang ganda ng trailer, binuin na. Andun na lahat ng elements ng iba na emosyon.
Right. Siguro, itutuloy ko lang yung nasimula nila Kukay na sinasabi niya na tinatrack namin ngayon kung paano magmahal yung generation ngayon. Pero I think, gusto rin natin ipakita kung paano sila masaktan. And I think, we Filipinos like to see, di ba, to mirror that in a cinematic experience. So, parang, yun, bumuo lang talaga kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think parang it feels so fresh and current. And for Josh Lia, I think, because when I watch their films, kahit masaya sila panoorin, pero alam mong if you go to that like real, painful, dramatic route, mapupush pa natin sila. So I was really excited to push that dramatic journey with them.
First time mong mag-direct ng bida ay former mga exes?
Oo.
Kasi if you name it, iba yung route mo dito na tinahak eh. Diba?
Yeah, and I think parang, yun nga, parang tama yung sinabi ni Ju kanina na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal
Sila lang ang
process
nakakaramdam.
about making the scene. So, they were so generous for sharing themselves.
Of course, they're great actors, no? Direct. Sarap, no? Okay. Justin, babasahin ko yata itong question from Reggie Bono. And Reg, would you want this read o ikaw o ako? Ako na lang. The question is for Reggie Bono and this is for Joshua and Julia. Nakakatuwa na balik na ang Josh Dia. Please take us back kung paano ito in-offer sa inyo at nag-guess ka ba agad and why? At ano ang namimiss nyo sa isa't isa? How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba to? At may tawanan ng creatives, mukhang may inside story tayo ah.
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving na calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No, talaga? Good to hear that. Ito si Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa. Left and right yung teleseries.
Actually, after Paubayan, nagka-offer na kami. Tapos to
The controversial Paubayan music video.
With Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang hindi natuloy kasi parang hindi pa yun yung tamang panahon para gawin yun. And then after 5 years, doon na nangyari. Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit di ganito, ganyan. So parang ang saya din ng moment na yun. That's why, nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? Ay, wala akong pinupush ha. Sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss sila isa't isa.
Of course. Yeah. Na-miss ko yung may ka-eksena na
napakahusay.
naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko, alam mo yan.
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung ganun nila. Yeah. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga, diba?
Yes, oo.
Yeah. And miss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Diba? Hindi lang kami, I mean, lahat tayo, diba, sa set.
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa
Yeah.
set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin sabi nila, oh, yeah.
It's the music. No?
Galing naman kasi ng ating scorer today, spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so before I give the microphone for the set of questions, tanungin ko na yung ating napakahusay na cast. How did you become part of this project? Let's start with Bianca. May ano ba to? May pa